If you're watching this video, then you're venturing off on that wonderful world of getting roof quotes. Hi, my name's Gabe, and I put together this online estimator as a helpful tool to try to help homeowners as they're working through this process. My goal was to make it as accurate as possible without being overly complicated. Now, if you have the type of house like the one I'm standing in front of, there's a good chance that the estimator will not be entirely accurate. But if you have a simple house and you feel confident on your measurements, then it should be good. I put a handful of different size houses. If you don't know how to measure, it'll give you at least a rough idea if you can look and see what kind of house you have. And there's some other factors that go in that it's not so easy to put in there, like if you have a lot of roof sheeting, if you have a lot of layers, you know, some other detailed things that might be on a simple house and you might not know. One other thing, metal is getting very popular these days, and my goal is to get a metal estimator together. There's a lot of factors that go into it, and so we haven't really worked out the kinks. But if you at all thinking metal and you put together a good shingle quote, just kind of rule of thumb, roughly, maybe for like an ag panel exposed fastener type system, you'd be looking 10-15% higher than a shingle quote. If you're looking for like a standing seam, hidden fastener, premium type roof, you're probably going to be around double your shingle quote. And if you get into some of the specialty premium cedar shake, those type of steel roofs, then you're probably going to triple your shingle quote. Hope this helps. If we can all help you, certainly let us know. Gabe Tamplin, GMT Roofing, we've got you covered.